your EAFC25 update is stuck and you need to calibrate it, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Step 2. Restart the device. Power off your device completely and then turn it back on. This can help reset any temporary issues that may be causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the settings of your device and find the option to clear the cache for the EAFC25 application. This can help remove any corrupted data that may be interfering with the update process. Step 4. Reinitiate the update. Open the EAFC25 application again and attempt to restart the update process. Look for any prompts to resume or restart the update and follow them. Step 5. Contact support. If the update is still stuck after trying the previous steps, reach out to EA support for further assistance. They may have specific solutions or troubleshooting steps for your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your EAFC25 update. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.